Good morning, children. Welcome to Madonna School. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am Mrs. Jayashree, your GK teacher. Children, in today's class, let us discuss about celebrations. It is a very interesting topic and you all will enjoy it. Children, we celebrate birthdays, weddings, and festivals. And we have lots of fun on these days. You all must know about the birthdays and weddings we celebrate. But do you know about the festivals we celebrate? Okay, let's learn about it. So, what is today's topic? Can anyone guess? So, today's topic is festivals. We celebrate festivals with fun, joy, and togetherness. We wear new clothes and greet one another. We go to our place of worship to thank God. There are two types of festivals in our country. That is national festivals and religious festivals. Children, in today's class, let's learn about religious festivals. Diwali is also known as Festival of Lights. People decorate their home with diyas, candles, flowers, and rangoli. In the evening, these are lit up and look very beautiful. Hindus go to the temples and pray to Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. Children let off crackers in the evening. So, what festival is this, children? Diwali. Repeat, children. Diwali. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Very good, children. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. Repeat, children. Which festival is known as Festival of Lights? Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is a Hindu festival celebration of the mother goddess Durga over the demon Mahishasura. The festival represents female power as the universe. It is a festival of good over evil. What festival is this, children? Durga Puja. Repeat, children. Durga Puja. Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims after a month of fasting during the holy month of Ramzan. On the day of Eid, they wear new clothes and go to the mosque to pray. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. They serve delicious food and sweets. So, what festival is this, children? Eid. Repeat, children. Eid. What do people say to each other on Eid? What do people say to each other on Eid? People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. What do people say to each other on Eid? People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. Guru Parva. Guru Parva is celebrated by the members of Sikh faith. It is celebrated on birth anniversary of the first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. What festival is this, children? Guru Parva. Repeat, children. Guru Parva. They take out a colorful procession heading towards the Gurudwar and serve prasad. Guru ka langar is prepared and served. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a 10-day festival. People do Lord Ganesh Puja and on the 10th day organize a huge procession. Modak is the favorite food of Lord Ganesh. People organize a huge procession and dunk Lord Ganesh idols into the sea. So what festival is this? Very good children. Ganesh Chaturthi. Repeat children. Ganesh Chaturthi. Holi. What festival children? Holi. Holi is celebrated in a joyful manner. It is called as Festival of Colors. People exchange sweets. So what festival is this children? Very good. Holi. Holi is called as Festival of Colors. Which festival is known as Festival of Colors? Holi is known as Festival of Colors. Repeat children. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. Pongal. Pongal is a 4-day long harvesting festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated to thank the sun god. A special dish of rice called Pongal is made. People harvest crops like rice, turmeric, and sugarcane. Pongal is also called as Makara Sankranti in Karnataka. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Christians wear new clothes and pray. Children, what festival is this? Very good. Christmas. Christmas. Repeat children. Christmas. When do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas on 25th December. They decorate the Christmas tree in their home and place presents for their dear ones under it. Santa Claus is said to leave gifts for children. They gift cake and sweets to their family and friends. So when is Christmas celebrated, children? Very good. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Repeat children. When is Christmas celebrated? When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Dashera. The return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Victory of good over evil. On this day, the effigy of Ravan is burnt. Children, let us recall the festivals what we learnt in today's class. Festivals. Repeat children. Festivals. Diwali. Diwali. Durga Puja. Durga Puja. Eid. Eid. Guru Parva. Guru Parva. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Holi. Holi. Pongal. Pongal. Christmas. Christmas. Dashera. Dashara. Children, let's learn questions and answers. Repeat after me, children. Questions and answers. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. What do people say to each other on Eid? What do people say to each other on Eid? People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. When is Christmas celebrated? When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Repeat after me, children. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali is known as the Festival of Lights. What do people say to each other on Eid? People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi is known as the Festival of Colors. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Children, take Play and Learn book from Students Kit. Play and Learn book from Students Kit, children. Parents, kindly guide your child to take Play and Learn book from Students Kit. Open page number 37. Page number 37. Lesson Festivals. Repeat after me, children. Festivals. Diwali. Diwali. Eid. Eid. Durga Puja. Durga Puja. Guru Parva. Guru Parva. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Holi. Holi. Pongal. Pongal. Christmas. Christmas. Dashara. Dashara. Children, learn all the questions and answers from the lesson Festivals. Now, it's time to watch a video. Are you ready? Here you go.
So now let's move on to different festivals of India. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Light. People decorate their house with lights, earthen lamps, and children love to play with crackers. They greet each other. Diwali is celebrated as welcoming of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. Christmas. It is celebrated on 25th December every year as the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. People decorate their house with Christmas trees, bells, and stars. It is celebrated by Christians. They goes to church and they offer mass. They even make plum cakes, and children eagerly waits for Santa Claus to come to their house and give them gifts. Guru Purab is celebrated by Sikh. They set colorful processions and distribute sweets. Meal named langar is also served by people of Sikh faith. Eid. It's celebrated by the Muslims. The male members of the family goes to mosque to offer prayer, whereas the female members remains at home and offers the prayer from home itself. They wear new clothes, they share and distribute sweets among their relatives and friends. They hug each other and they wish Eid Mubarak. Holi, the festival of colors. Children and elders, everyone enjoy this festival. They throw water balloons, colorful water balloons on each other and have lots of fun. They color each other's face with gulals. Dashera. It symbolizes the victory of good over the evil. When Lord Ram killed Ravana.
Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.